The next 7 minutes. Catch me. Many a tea for Muti Kukrentumi and Opay when Share FM so said. And that's what Bain a war, Sa or Maya Kong Masika, Edira 2026.
Before the number, but it is in some way be a dear any budgeting. But mean to saw almost send a wakama main can before the reading of the budget. Now you will say expectations near proportion anymore. Expectation in Bako a local level development, local government development. MMDA sinisani medinjidano a honor development in our locality nijina. Budget we every day yamanko from Sampa. Sa yamawo musika more than the previous government and almost local government committee name yenye sika ban we tria ebienya in excess of 120 billion ebienya 90 billion which did not happen under President Akufo-Addo and the MPP. It is high expectation, you know. Your kind budget, you know, the expectation has been met. They told me, you know, contractors and MPP, or my year you under MPP's regime, MPP for you do Mofa Kwambone Suma, one more chairman of a concerned contractor association, the way to 2022, on the can say. Now, do I know rascal and a Tikrumha? Now, on for contractors, when they be brave, of course, today, the expectations of the contractors have been met. I buy a year market almost 40 billion. Our the best sort of woman. Yes, I re-engage you with another contractual businesses. Big push here, Accra Express Highway. Contractors here be never juma. Major contractors and subcontractors. Now, we are buying any good whaler with the 10 months in government. So that expectation has also been met. The last expectation, one more year do wonka, and let that restructuring arrangement any more quick. DDEP and Anado Ankasa Bejatum say, the darkest moment in his regime as a president, I saw a DDEP. A run on the Penifon and Cocrafoma, whom Jim Mudu Musica by Bosia, Womudi home. Now, when Triaka so between 15 years and 10 years, and nearby ye year market. First budget he can present it market 60 billion, 60 million, and then budget ya me say 2019. Aka over 41 million more to go. It tells you say Ghana for ratio munyama Ghana for kojina so twabano. We are meeting the expectations one after the other. So the budget is very fresh. Now I mean anyway na me fancy. Budget focus. And I said the strategy of this 2026 and your OPT no. And you na budget we unemployment. You say 800,000 estimated jobs, 490,000 indirect jobs, right? Artisans ni sanko fuwi. When the catcher will say gara, omo ajebusumi aketu yankwa ne friend say yejuma. There were 3 categories of jobs. You omo yetu omo ka by day, wages every day. Sanko for na artisans no. Carpenter for beko, steam bed for beko, mason for beko, tilers for beko, excavators, operators beko. Sanko for you tuamuka every day. Woman the masika bus system nimu. Because power obeto edru, obeto atade run so beto way. So what I say? Enti that adiano kwa alone should give you a autos will be say the NDC government is on point. I mean some another years. This budget is looking at import substitution strategy. Or might be you're dependent or you're depending in the country is dependent on the export from other countries. See the anti-meaning say be a issue of member a pediacoto. It's the Biani Yesikada. We say let's look at the big ticket item. What advantage also? Bet me aye. Na say sikana ka. And we been no year no time one no wa ben mu John mama year no time no wa ben mu. And go fantias ye no. Wakwaje 1 billion from Japan. And the buyer Atwabo gas processing factory on here Rata Mills. And then it save Ghana $400 million. Either two we would carry this $400 million and send it outside, but it's being kept. And then, at the budget where import substitution is a one. You say poultry. you use almost $300 million to $350 million na de kra enkoko fo so ba ene ya de ade aba fa enkoko nketenkete program eno ne de sha ase na ye sure se betimi ayama de ade de wo ho kra ne se akoko no nya wi anya na wo beton na aka se sales your problem abai na eto na ade no process no de aba matememfo ato no at a moderate price. Nti ebeka ka no sa 350 million we yemfa nkwa abontin bi ebeka Ghana ha.
Okay.
Na feed Ghana aduane bo ya ade ane bo den e Ghana problem pa. So these are the projects are ye budget no sika di wura mu ama maybe baba Ghana be food sufficient. Ghana di nuane be kwa broche ma ye kwa toba no. Ye tinyenye bi. Because na nado time ebro ho ye de am ye kwasra ebro efri West African buffer stock. Afi eduane ye de ebro na kosia ye de ebro na akomo mo se monye ebro ne ebeje ye no monye anda Ghana nkwa na MPP du ebro na ebro short MPP du ebro na ebro short. We are reversing that trend. Now last one.
Okay, now first one. Yes.
Senior ade ba kwa efe wom ye de ani esi so say road transport for development. Akwan ya de be very integral in any economic structure. So wa kwan ye ebe how ye but when him say akwan is springing up development into hwe expressway ye be ye ya you gente ka ho asem ya so bokwan ni tum tenten sa no a communities bi ani pa nya na adwen so obekwa kwatra okra no new communities will begin to spring up. New businesses, hospitals, hotels, best atiako, tourist centers, beko, ni nyina na create employment.
Okay.
A budget way there. It is a unique and refreshing budget. Unlike womu de na womu de ba, ejuma pa budget na begu ejuma no.
Meda say Jackson Pra, Darren, Sana ono ohunu the 2026 fiscal policy no. Gabi unsu hunu say in the next 7 minutes.